Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to revise negative/neutral feedback on eBay. So let's go ahead and dive in. So yesterday I had a customer open a, not a returns case, an items not delivered case, because he thought he ordered 2 of a certain item when he actually didn't. He only ordered 1 and he was waiting for the other to turn up, but obviously it didn't because it never got ordered. Now this was just a misunderstanding. We've been speaking back and forth. The case is now closed, but he also, when he opened the case, left neutral feedback. Now I want to try and get this neutral feedback revised and have positive feedback, so I'm going to show you the process on how to do this. So what we do, we go up to here to my eBay, we go over to summary. Let's wait for that for a second, and then we scroll down to the bottom of the page. Come on, let's scroll down and we go to here, sitemap. Now just wait for that for a second. Now neutral feedback doesn't actually leave that much of an impact on your account, but as the customer was happy and we resolved the situation, I want to see if I can get this revised and have positive feedback instead of that neutral. So we scroll all the way down and we go to, where is it? Keep scrolling. Sell, no. We go to community right here, and then we go to request feedback revision. So let's click through, and as you can see, here is the feedback they left. It's not yet, was given until tomorrow, but just to let you know about it. Now again, this person thought they ordered 2 of the item. They ordered 1, and then apparently their son was supposed to order another, and that's what he thought had happened. And he was waiting and waiting for an item that didn't actually get ordered, and he left the bad feedback on the previous one that he ordered. But again, this was just a big misunderstanding. Well, I don't know if it was a misunderstanding or whether he was just trying to get a refund on the product that he brought. You never know. I mean, look, he's only got 3 feedback. 1 of them was mine. So you never know, but again, we resolved the situation. He was happy. He admitted that it was his fault and took full responsibility and closed the case. But again, I was left with this neutral feedback, and I want to see if I can get it changed to a positive one. So what we do once we're here, you check the feedback you want to do, and then I'll open this little bit box down here. So now I'm going to put, what shall I put? I'll just put hi, hoping you can revise this feedback as we resolved the situation. That's what I think I'm going to put. And about have a great day. Have a great day. So, hi, hoping you can revise this feedback as we resolved the situation. Thanks. Thanks. And have a great day. So that is it. That's what I'm going to put. Now I'm going to press send, and that is it. Now that is actually the first time of me doing this, but I wanted to record the process and show you in case you need to do this somewhere down the line. Now as you can see, your feedback revision request has been sent to this person. This person has 10 days to respond. We will notify you when you receive a response. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.